Talk about Nagashaurya, co-star, quite a fun chap from what I've known of him.
For sure.
How was it working with him?
It was very good, but one thing I still cannot forget that, because even when we were shooting for this song called Brahmachari, Okasari, Oveyari, that song, we were shooting in Swiss, and this dance was a hip hop dance, and I have been trained more in the softer forms of dances like Kathak and all of contemporary and that. So suddenly shifting to hip hop was not little, very difficult for me. And so at that time, Shaurya used to do it like this, you know, the choreographer will say something and he's like, done. And I think, what is happening? It took me a while to get the steps, but he got in one shot. So I used to get very frustrated again, because it used to take more than once for me to get it. Shaurya used to encourage me, and I'm not kidding. He used to be like, okay, and people start talking, right? If you're not being able to do it, and if he's doing it, so obviously because of me it's getting delayed. So I used to anyway get more and more nervous about doing it again, and it was dancing, it was not talking. So Shaurya used to be like, don't listen to anyone who's talking, you know, don't see here and there, just do it. So I think half of the song I could do only because of Shaurya.
Okay.
Yeah, that is one thing.
So that was one of the toughest things that you have to do.
Yeah. So I think now I should start taking hip hop classes. I should go and learn some of that.
Right. Now you're also working with a lot of seasoned actors in the film, right? Like Rao Ramesh and Tulsi Garu and Pragati and also. What is it that you learn from each of these people? Like,
I've learned so many things from each one of them, you know. Even when with Pragati Garu is my stepmom in the movie.
Okay.
So I didn't have that much to do with her as much as I did with Tulsi Garu or Rao Ramesh sir, because he's this one strict dad in my life, and so.
Is he a lot like your dad? Or he's not
he's not like my dad in real. No, he's
no.
not so much. When you see the movie, you'll know.
Oh.
That he's playing more of a traditional dad. No,
Very
not
protective
traditional, because stepmom. No, not very traditional. But when it comes to his daughter, he's protective and you know, so that. So Tulsi Garu and all, because they've done so many movies, and honestly I was the only one who was a newcomer in the entire set. Shaurya, everyone has done 5-6 movies, 10 movies minimum. So because I was very raw, I didn't even know how to face the camera, because even when we have to talk, I have to still do camera favor. I have to talk to you like this, why do I favor the camera? I used to have such questions in my head, you know. And I used to have a lot of questions in my head, even when I have to do a normal interview, like now, not now, but even yesterday for that matter, I did a couple of interviews, and I tend to ask a lot of questions.
Okay.
And Shaurya and everyone started calling me question bank. But still I didn't stop asking questions.
It's good, right? Good to be curious.
Yeah. But yeah, I love asking questions.
So what's the craziest question that you've asked which everybody was like, please?
I think every question of mine, they react in the same way. They're like, oh, please do it, don't ask more questions.
Like, what is it? Like, give me an instance.
Like, for example, if I've been asked to do this.
Okay.
So I'll be like, why this? Give me the context of this. No, but actually this is a valid question in my head. I don't know if it will be valid in your head. It's like, if I have to do this, then tell me, first of all, okay, if I'm doing this to Shaurya, this will be different. If I'm doing this to my father, this will be different. And depends what happened before that, and depends what is going to happen after that. Even if you don't want to tell me what is happening after that, at least tell me what has happened before that. Because if I am sad and if I do this, then it is stupid, right? So these small things, like, but details which adds on to your overall scene. So when I'm asking that question, it sounds stupid. That, you know, why she wants to know what happened. But when you see the overall movie, and if something like this went amiss, then you'll be like, why did she react like that, you know? That happens. So a lot of actions, even small, high, hello, depends a lot on your context, a pre-context, and what is going to happen. So I have to keep all that things in my mind. I cannot randomly move my hand like that and with nothing in my head.
Right.
So I don't like getting there. So I like asking a lot of questions, and then they're like, stop asking so many questions. They all called me question bank, all of them, including the camera technicians and makeup men and hairdressers. Everyone knew this name of mine.
So, is there a question which has left unanswered?
So many things, yeah. They just shut me down after a point. I can't think of one question which is unanswered. A bunch of questions have been left unanswered, yeah.
Right.
In every scene, I'm sure there are at least 3-4 per scene questions which were not answered.
Okay.
People are scared to talk to me on the phone because they're like, I cannot deal with phone. But that is the truth, and I'm not denying it.
Right. Right.
When I am talking, like, so sometimes when Director Garu calls me or something, and when I'm with my family, and I speak to them in Telugu, like, little I speak to them in Telugu. If my brother is next to me, he will shout and laugh, and he reacts like I have become someone else and he doesn't know me anymore, And even when if my mom and dad, they will listen to me like this, I get so conscious that I go to some other room and talk,